How to manually install a WordPress plugin. You can manually install a WordPress plugin by doing just 3 simple things. You first have to download, then upload, and then activate the plugin. I will show you how you can easily install any plugin that you have downloaded in WordPress manually. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to Plugins and click Add New. Then click the Upload Plugin button on the top left. Now go to Choose File. Here is the zip file of the plugin I have downloaded. Click to select the file and then click the Open button. It shows the name of the zip file I have selected. Let's click the Install Now button. It shows a success message and a blue Activate button. When you click it, the plugin will now start working on your website. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.